welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and I'm here with another exciting video for you guys. But before we get into that, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like these videos and turn on your notification. Yes, that notification bell that you see at the right side of this video. So let's get into this video, guys. So I'm sanitizing the area before I go ahead and mix the gloss. This is a necessary step. Yeah, so these are my oils that I'm putting in place along with my flavorings and my emollients and my micas. So here is the Versagel that I have, and you guys do know that I go ahead and warm my Versagel base first. I have a video on this and I suggest you go and watch that video. I will have it linked above, but this is a great way, especially for beginners, to start out. You can just warm it a tad bit and it's less tedious with the mixing, all of that vigorous mixing. You don't have to do a lot of that because you do know that the Versagel is very stiff, and what this does, it loosens it up a lot. So you guys can just go ahead and watch that video. It is very helpful, and as you can see, the Versagel is smooth and it has less bubbles. So I am mixing Honey Bunny today, and I think this is a gorgeous gloss. I will have the link listed in the description box below for you guys to go and check it out. First, gonna start with the grapeseed oil, the fractionated coconut oil, and I did pour those in along with the vitamin E. This is a new emollient that I'm using. I introduced it in one of my videos. I will have that linked also above because I think you guys will definitely fall in love with this. It's also similar to this hydrogenated polyisobutane that I'm squeezing in right now. Just gonna go about mixing and stirring until everything is incorporated well, and I think that I have my consistency a little bit how I want it. And then I will be adding the micas in. As you can see, it's really getting there. We don't want it too loose and we don't want it too stiff. I am using a pink mica, and that's that pearlescent, more shimmery type creamish color mica, and you would have to use something like this if you're trying to achieve that shimmery pearlescent type gloss. From the onset, I'm just gonna go easy with a few scoops, and then we will see how far we're gonna get with this color. And you do know that I got these scoops from TKB if you're an oldie but goodie, and it comes in perfect for this portion or part of your mixing. So I think this color is absolutely adorable. It's so pearlescent, it's so shimmering. It's the perfect shade if you want to achieve this type of gloss color. And if you can see clearly, it does have some hues of other colors running through it, which is perfect for, like I said, the color that you want to achieve. I'm gonna be adding the pink next. What happened with this is the name of the color had rubbed off, so I am just not sure what color pink it is, but it is a mica, but I will have it in the description box below. So as you can see, the gloss color is coming together perfectly, and we do not need any more of the oils. The only thing left to apply to this gloss mixture is the flavoring oil. So the base is pretty much, as I can say, or as you guys can see, is perfect, and the colors that you see are amazing. So please keep in mind that the base is a vegan base, and the flavorings and the oils are natural. So you can go ahead and mix it to your liking, whatever color you want. So I did go ahead and I added a bit more of that pink, and I think I'm gonna be adding some of the hot pink lip color into this mixture also. So there it is. I'm pouring just a tad bit of the hot pink into this mixture. And you guys can also go and check my lip colorings out at my Etsy shop. Yeah, I haven't been promoting them in a while, but they are still there, and the nude bundle especially is a bestseller, so you guys can go and check it out. So the colors are very rich in this gloss base, and right now I'm gonna be adding the flavoring oil. So that's the cotton candy from my collection also. You can go and check that out. And yeah, I did add a tad bit of peppermint oil in this also. So yeah, so let me talk about the highlight micas from TKB. You can get them in the green, you can get them in the orange. This is the orange highlight. Mind you, it is a white pearlescent color, but it has the undertone or hues of orange or greens, or and I think it's a blue one also. I do have like a collection of them, so yeah, if you want to check those out, TKB has them. So let's drop some more flavoring oil in this so we can just finish this up. Oh, just look at this. It's so amazing. Yeah, and there you have it, guys. And so what I'm gonna do is do a little swatch for you so you can get an idea of how it will look on the lips or how it matches against the skin. There you have it. It's very smooth, it's very creamy, it's very oily, and it will have your lips feeling amazing like the other glosses that I do have. So I'm just gonna squeeze these up and put them into this squeeze tube. I'm just doing a few samples of what it'll look like in a squeeze tube. Oh, as you can see, I already have the wand tube filled, and then I did the other thick little wand tube. Let me know which is your favorite. Is it the squeeze tube, the wand tube, or the longer wand tube with the crown on the top? Yeah, so give me your opinion on that, guys. And we're just gonna finish squeezing the rest of this gloss up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. So what do you do next? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video for me. Come on, help your girl out here. What I wanted to point out to you guys is that the mica just melts seamlessly into the gloss base, so you do not have a problem with all of that mixture being stuck and stuff like that. And also, I mentioned it earlier, these are listed at my Shopify store and the Etsy, so you can go there and purchase them also. And that's where what I was saying earlier is I would have it listed in the links below. But hold on, before you go, these are my new shades. They come in nudes, and they are very creamy and glossy, and these are lip lover friendly. Okay, your lips will fall in love with these, and these are at my Etsy shop, so go there and check them out. So these come in Latte, Acai, or Acai, as however you would want to say it, and Peachy. Yeah, so those are some delicious flavors. So I will be adding the 4-ounce size to this in short order, but for right now they're only in 8-ounce sizes because a lot of folks have been asking about the 4 ounces. And that is it for this video, my lovely queens. I will see you in my next video, so don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification, like, and comment, and thanks for being so supportive. See you. Bye bye.